Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P027E specifically indicates a problem with the cold start air-fuel ratio control system, which has been commanded to lean compared to its target ratio. This is an important aspect of the vehicle's operation, as maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio is vital for optimal engine performance, emissions control, and fuel efficiency. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects discrepancies between the commanded air-fuel ratio and the required target ratio, storing this trouble code in the vehicle's diagnostic system. The PCM is a critical component, usually located in the engine compartment, that acts as the central computer controlling various engine functions. If the PCM recognizes that the air-fuel mixture is too lean, it triggers the DTC to alert the technician of a potential issue that could impact the vehicle's performance and longevity. This guide will provide detailed troubleshooting steps associated with this DTC to facilitate proper diagnosis and repair. The error code DTC P027E occurs when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, identifies that the commanded air-fuel ratio is too lean compared to what it should be. The air-fuel ratio is the proportion of air to fuel in the combustion process, crucial for ideal engine operation. The PCM, situated in the engine compartment, controls various engine functions, including fuel management, by processing input data from multiple sensors, including the ECT sensor. When the PCM notes a significant deviation from the target air-fuel ratio, it interprets this as an abnormal condition and triggers the DTC. A lean mixture can lead to engine performance issues, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions, thereby warranting immediate diagnostic attention. Several factors can lead to the activation of DTC P027E. One potential issue is a faulty Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If the PCM itself is malfunctioning, it may incorrectly command a lean mixture. Malfunctioning sensors, particularly the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor, can also contribute to this error. The ECT sensor provides critical temperature data to the PCM, influencing fuel management strategies. Vacuum leaks in the intake system can create an unintentional lean mixture by allowing excess air to enter the combustion chamber. Each of these causes requires thorough inspection to ensure the correct repair is identified. Understanding these potential issues is necessary for effective troubleshooting and resolution. When DTC P027E is triggered, certain symptoms become evident. Drivers may experience noticeable engine performance issues, such as rough idling or stalling, indicating that the air-fuel mixture is not optimal. Additionally, a significant drop in fuel economy may occur as the engine struggles to adapt to its incorrectly commanded lean mix. Increased emissions can result, compounding environmental impact and potentially leading to failure during emission testing. Awareness of these symptoms is crucial for identifying DTC P027E early, preventing further damage to the engine, and ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. Reviewing these indicators will facilitate prompt diagnosis and repair, restoring the vehicle's performance. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P027E involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the technician to assess the Powertrain Control Module, PCM status. Once the vehicle is on, it's important to check if the PCM is functioning correctly, which can involve checking for any additional stored trouble codes that might indicate related issues. Furthermore, technicians should ensure that the voltage supply to the PCM is within the specified range, as inadequate voltage can affect performance. Hydrocarbon emissions are largely influenced by the precision of the PCM's commands. so understanding its operational status is crucial. Properly executing this step sets the groundwork for effective diagnosis and resolving the DTC. For the second troubleshooting step, the technician is required to let the engine cool until the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor 1, meets 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius or less. This step is vital for accurately assessing the air-fuel ratio control system's response during cold start conditions. A correctly functioning ECT sensor is crucial because it informs the PCM of the engine's temperature, directly affecting fuel mixture commands. If the ECT value does not stabilize within the specified range, it may indicate sensor malfunction or connectivity issues that need to be addressed. Consistent monitoring is essential for obtaining valid readings, ensuring that the troubleshooting is both accurate and reliable. This attention to detail is key when attempting to rectify DTC P027E in the third troubleshooting step. Technicians are instructed to start the engine and allow it to idle for at least 10 seconds. This idle period is critical for the PCM to gather necessary data regarding the air-fuel mixture in real-time conditions. During this phase, it is essential to monitor the air-fuel ratio to ensure that it aligns with the required specifications. Any abnormalities detected while idling can provide valuable insights into potential malfunctions within the fuel management system. Technicians should utilize advanced diagnostic tools and scanners to observe the data readings concerning the DTC. Maintaining an attentive eye during this phase enables a clearer understanding of how the air-fuel ratio is being managed. This step is pivotal in isolating the source of the lean condition and advancing the troubleshooting process. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P027E, the final verification step is crucial. Technicians must first review all repairs performed to ensure each element associated with the lean air-fuel ratio control system was addressed. Once confirmed, they should proceed to clear the DTC from the system using specialized diagnostic equipment. This action resets the PCM, allowing it to monitor the engine's performance afresh. Following this, a test drive is essential to observe vehicle behavior under real-world conditions, ensuring that the repair was effective and the DTC has not returned. This verification process provides assurance that the issue has been fully resolved and that the vehicle is operating optimally. Conducting this thorough check ensures reliability and longevity in the vehicle's performance. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P027E, implementing a proactive maintenance plan is essential. Regular diagnostics of the powertrain control module, PCM, can identify potential issues before they manifest as trouble codes. Technicians should also monitor the performance of critical sensors, particularly the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor, to ensure they are providing accurate data to the PCM. Additionally, it is vital to maintain the integrity of the vacuum system, as any leaks can significantly disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to performance issues. Regular inspections and servicing of these components will help ensure the vehicle continues to perform optimally and compliance with emissions regulations is upheld. Following these preventive measures can greatly reduce the likelihood of DTC P027E reoccurring. In conclusion, DTC P027E signifies a lean air-fuel ratio command issue within the Honda Accord's engine management system. Understanding the role of the powertrain control module PCM and other components involved is crucial for effective diagnostics and repair. Accurate, step-by-step troubleshooting is necessary to isolate faults and rectify them to restore optimal vehicle performance. Regular maintenance, including PCM diagnostics and sensor performance monitoring, can help prevent the recurrence of such issues in the future. By adhering to these troubleshooting steps and preventive measures, technicians and owners alike can enhance engine reliability, performance, and longevity. Remember, maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio is not only essential for vehicle efficiency, but also plays a significant role in reducing emissions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.